guys, my name is Gurjot Singh and I am in my pre-final year of aerospace engineering, and welcome to my channel AeroHub. So it's like we all have made paper planes in our childhood, right? Even I did. आपने भी बनाए होंगे, मैंने भी बनाया. But what I used to do is, like for every paper plane I made, I used to take it and I used to make some changes so that it flies for a longer time than the other kids. And I always used to make them jealous कि हाँ देखो मेरा plane तुमसे ज़्यादा दूर तक उड़ता है. And like since then I knew I was interested in aerospace. मेरा 12th ख़त्म हुआ साइंस में. I did PCM in science, okay. And उसके बाद I had to choose in what field I have to go, okay. And my parents are very supportive, okay. उन्होंने बोला देखो जो करना है कर, like we don't have any problem with that. But like I talked to my friends and everyone, okay. I told them that I have like this interest in aerospace, and they were like भाई तेरे को जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, ये मत कर वो मत कर, IT में चले जा, सॉफ्टवेयर में चले जा, go for a mainstream. And like I am a type of guy who doesn't like to go for a mainstream. अगर कोई चीज़ mainstream हो रही है तो मैं नहीं देखता. I haven't seen GOT till now. I'm telling you, like, okay. And so it's like मेरे को था इंटरेस्ट अभी एरोस्पेस में. अब सब लोग बोल रहे कि भाई तू सॉफ्टवेयर कर ले, IT कर ले. एंड लाइक आई यूज टू गो ऑन इंटरनेट, आई विल सी कि भाई क्या क्या जॉब्स है IT में, चीज़ में. एंड लाइक दे न्यूमरस लाइक हाई हेवी अमाउंट ऑफ जॉब्स आर देयर फॉर IT एंड सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनीज, ओके. लाइक इवन मास रिक्रूटर्स लेके जा रहे हैं, बल्क में उठा के लेके जा रहे हैं बच्चों को. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई विल सर्च फॉर द एरोस्पेस ऑल्सो. एंड एरोस्पेस में दिखा रहा था कि कुछ गिनी चुनी कंपनीज है लाइक HAL, ISRO, or we can say DRDO. These are some of the renowned companies that are taking aerospace, and some private companies that are just focusing on RC aircrafts and all. So like डर था कि भाई जॉब नहीं मिलेगा या ऐसा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिलेगी. बट आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू लूज़ इंटरेस्ट इन दिस फील्ड. एक पॉइंट आ गया था जब मैंने लाइक अपने पेरेंट्स को बोल भी दिया कि फाइन आई विल गो फॉर IT. द डे आई वॉज इन माई कॉलेज, and like even everyone thought that I'll take IT as my discipline. And like the time I had to tell them like what field I want, I was like aerospace, and my dad was looking like this, like what happened. And no, like he supports me a lot, that's not an issue, but even it was shock for him that एकदम से तेरा plan कैसे बदल गया. And like now I can say this, I really feel proud कि भाई मैं aerospace में हूँ. It's a wonderful journey. And like through this channel I want to like change the perspective people have towards the aerospace engineering. Like people think हाँ भाई इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो आप, but after entering this I know कि you can go to what all extent you can go in this aerospace in after doing aerospace. It's like aerospace engineers हर जगह यूज़ हो रहे हैं. Even if you go in wind energy, wind turbine energy, देन अगर आप फॉर्मूला कार्स में इंटरेस्टेड हो वहाँ पे भी आपका एरोस्पेस के नॉलेज लग रही है, लाइक एरोडायनामिक्स. सो इट्स लाइक हर जगह यूज़ है आपका. माई ओनली मोटिव इज़ टू चेंज पीपल्स पर्सपेक्टिव टूवर्ड्स एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग. एंड लाइक आई विल बी अपलोडिंग वीडियोज़ वीकली. एवरी वीक आई विल बी अपलोडिंग अ वीडियो विदाउट फेल, एंड आई विल फोकस like around wide range of content. Like I'll be explaining about flight simulators, then some tutorial videos about in aviation, some interviews with the university professionals and industrial professionals. Also I'll give more information about aerospace engineering, like what all you can do after that, and like what all internship opportunities you will get. And like, it's not like full to boring what we can say is like full to boring educational content. Like we'll have some fun also with that, and we'll also focus on some of the competitions we have in aerospace. Like there are many competitions held by many big organizations like Society of Automotive Engineering or Boeing. Like they conduct very many competitions which we as an engineers can participate in. Even the students like in your high school you can participate in those competitions. So I'll be uploading information about that also. And So it's my first YouTube channel, and like I am very positive about this, so I really need your support. Okay, and if there is anything you want me to talk about, you can leave it in the comment section. And thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share.